स्ट्रोबोस्कोपिक इफेक्ट पर आधारित कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट पर डिस्कस करेंगे। आधुनिक तकनीक के माध्यम से फिजिक्स में कुछ इनोवेशंस किए गए हैं। ये उन छात्रों के लिए बेहद महत्वपूर्ण है जो थ्योरी और लेक्चर्स की तैयारी में लैब अटेंड नहीं कर पाते। कंप्यूटर इंटरफेस मॉड्यूल, स्मार्टफोन और कुछ कंपोनेंट की सहायता से छात्र घर बैठे भी साइंस के एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हैं। The phenomena which causes moving object to appear stationary or slower than the actual speed is known as stroboscopic effect. When a light flashes very quickly, our eyes see the moving object at different places each time the light flashes. In this experiment, the strobe light is fired at an adjustable frequency. If some rotating object is viewed in frequency smaller than the rotating object, it appears rotating forward, and in case of greater frequency, it appears rotating backward. To change the flashes per second, we design a flicker circuit using op-amp IC. The circulatory arrangement is shown. In fact, square wave is generated by using a resistance of 10, 12, 60 kilo ohm and a capacitor of 0.1 microfarad. The op-amp is configured as an oscillator in the circuit to flash LED on and off. This flicker circuit is also available in our computer interface module, and the frequency of flicking can be visualized in our smartphone. There is a provision on computer screen to change the flicking frequency. With the help of this tag SQ1 on the computer screen, we can adjust the number of flashes per second as we desire. Another important thing of this module is the visualization of light pulses. Now, I have increased the frequency of flicker and move light flashes can be seen from the LED. In the next screen, I have calculated the frequency of a square wave from the time period noted from the oscilloscope, and this frequency is also verified from the formula keeping value of resistance and capacitor used in this circuit. So, in brief, all the related physics has been discussed and verified. For more videos related to science experiment with innovations, please like, share and subscribe our channel Rashtriya Physics Department. Thank you.